Could you tell me a little bit about the process and how it's working, Mr. Bartow?
First thing we do is we prepare the new windshield. It's going to be replaced. Wash it, clean it, and then we put what's called an activator that helps the adhesive that we use to glue the windshield in. We put that around the perimeter of the windshield, which I'll show you next. And we wash this up.
Okay. Excellent.
This is the activator that we put on the windshield. It goes around the perimeter where the adhesive goes. It just helps the adhesive that we use stick better to the windshield. A tie down.
What's that for?
That holds the other end of the wire secure.
Okay.
Because we'll be pulling the other end of the wire with the spool, which I'll show you here in a second. A little ways over. Continue to cut it around. It was more than likely a alignment pin that I cut through. Sometimes it takes a little bit more pressure to cut through that. See, now it's going easy.
So we're working our way around the outside of the windshield.
Yep.
In order to break that seal, correct?
Yep, cut right through the seal with this wire. Okay, that should be good. The way this tool is designed, it's designed so that when you cut the adhesive loose from the old windshield, it doesn't do any damage to the body of the vehicle.
A lot of quality craftsmanship taking place here. And windshields do take time, but doing them in the proper way from BG Glass&Mirror is the way to go.
Remove the cup on the outside.
Boy, that just pops right out, doesn't it?
Yep, that's it. All this has to get trimmed off. And then the new adhesive gets laid down on top of it. The windshield's going in. Trim you over there on the side. Good?
Yeah, move up.
This is what we call setting it. Making sure that it's touching good on all the adhesive. Put a little bit of tape on it. That just keeps the windshield from sliding down while it's before it's dry. After about 10-15 minutes, it's not going to move anywhere. So we just got to leave it on there for a few minutes. And that's that. So it's just a matter of putting it back together. Putting the rear view mirror on, the wipers, the cowl screen, and about another 45 minutes, and it'll be safe to drive.